WD-40 is not only for stopping squeaky doors, it's also a powerful, all-purpose cleaner that can handle many household jobs. Whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or garage, WD-40 helps make cleaning quicker and more effective. If stickers, tape, or labels leave behind a sticky mess, WD-40 can make cleanup simple. Just spray a little on the area, wait half a minute, and wipe it off with a soft cloth. The formula breaks down the glue so it wipes away easily, leaving the surface smooth and clean without scratches or damage. WD-40 does a great job of polishing stainless steel appliances like refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers. Over time, these surfaces collect fingerprints and smudges that make them look dull. Spray a small amount onto a cloth and wipe gently to remove marks and restore shine. This leaves a clean, streak-free finish that looks brand new. Crayon drawings on walls or furniture can be removed easily with WD-40. Spray a little on the mark and wipe gently with a soft cloth. The wax lifts away quickly, leaving the surface clean and smooth again, no need for harsh scrubbing or special cleaners. You can also use WD-40 on bathroom fixtures like taps, shower heads, and metal handles. After cleaning, apply a thin coat and wipe it evenly. It forms a protective layer that repels water and helps stop mineral spots from forming, keeping everything shiny for longer. For removing tough stains in the toilet bowl, such as rust or lime buildup, WD-40 works surprisingly well. Spray a small amount inside the bowl, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush and flush. It helps break down mineral deposits and leaves the bowl clean and fresh. WD-40 can also bring dull shoes back to life. Spray a bit on a cloth and wipe your shoes to remove dirt, salt marks, and scuffs. It not only cleans but also adds a light water-resistant layer, protecting your shoes from future stains. Stubborn tar, bug spots, and tree sap on your car can be removed with WD-40. Spray it directly on the affected area, wait a few seconds, and wipe away gently with a soft cloth. Rinse afterward with car soap and water to remove any leftover film. Your car will look cleaner, smoother, and shinier in minutes. WD-40 also works as a mirror protector. Apply a thin, even coat to your bathroom mirror and wipe gently in circles. It creates a clear film that prevents fog after showers, so your mirror stays shiny and clear without extra wiping. With just a small amount, WD-40 can handle many cleaning challenges around the house, saving time and effort.